Today in this video I'm going to explain how to hard reset Samsung Galaxy Note 20. Press and hold the volume down and power buttons simultaneously for a few seconds. Once the device powers off, release the buttons and then press and hold the volume up and power keys. Continue holding the buttons until you see the recovery mode screen. When recovery mode appears, release all buttons. Navigate through the menu using the volume keys and select Wipe Data or Factory Reset. Confirm the selection by pressing the power button. Next, choose Factory Data Reset from the menu and confirm it with the power key. After the reset process completes, select Reboot System Now using the power button. Wait for the device to reboot. Once the reset is complete, your phone will be restored to its original factory settings. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up your device as if it were brand new. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and comment down below. If this worked for you, thanks for watching.